Hi everyone, today I'm here to talk about the windows. In this unit block behind me, if you look closely, most of those windows are the original timber window frames. Single glazed and definitely showing the age. They're due for maintenance. And let me be honest, they don't look and work as well as they used to. Now with the block positioned right next to the busiest road, as you can see, the noise and the draft make these older windows even less ideal. But let me ask you something. Can you tell which windows have been replaced? One apartment has already replaced their old timber windows with brand new uPVC double glazed windows. They are matching the frame color perfectly as the original ones, even including colonial bars to blend in with the original look. From the outside, it's almost impossible to tell the difference, right? For anyone living here, that's the big question. Will the new windows fit the style and character of the building? The answer is absolutely. uPVC frames can be custom designed to match the original windows, making sure they don't stand out or look out of place. You'll maintain the building look while improving each apartment's comfort and energy efficiency. And then let's talk about the benefits. Beyond just the appearance, these new windows are double glazed, so they cut down the noise from the busy road significantly. You'll have a quieter, more comfortable living environment without the constant noise and cold drafts. By upgrading to uPVC double glazed windows, you are getting an all-around improvement. It's not just about the authentics, though they do look great. It's about creating a peaceful home with a better insulation and far less maintenance required than old timber windows. So if you're wondering if the new windows will blend in, take another look. The replacement windows here are practically indistinguishable from the original timber ones, but they offer modern benefits that make a world of a difference inside each unit. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions about making to switch to uPVC windows, we would love to hear from you and help you experience the difference. Thank you.